Good morning, students. Hi, students. How are you? Are you fine? I hope everyone is fine. In previous class, I introduced about the social science. Okay. So today, in this term, in first term, totally 8 lessons will be there. Okay, ma? Totally how many lessons? 8 lessons. History 4 lessons. Geography 2 lessons. Civics 2 lessons. Okay. History 4 lessons. Geography 2 lessons. Civics 2 lessons. Okay. So like that it will be. So totally 8 lessons. Okay. Have you got your social book? If you received the social book, in the front page you should write your name and cover the book also. Okay. Then 2 booklets you can use. Okay, ma'am. 1 booklet for class work, another booklet is homework. Okay. So first booklet, I will give the question answer. Okay, I will give the question answers. That question answers you should write it in your social science booklet. Okay, will you follow this? Will you follow, ma'am? So through mobile, in the PDF format, I will send the question answers. Okay, question and answer also. Okay, then book exercises and all, after getting the social book, I will give it to you. Okay, clear? So 2 lessons, 2 booklets you should follow. Okay, first booklet, class work. Okay, so isn't it, you will write your name, class, isn't it, ba? Then subject also, isn't it? So you should follow that same. Okay, so today I plan to teach the first lesson, history first lesson. Okay, history first lesson. Totally 8 lessons will be there. So in history, so in previous class I explained, isn't it? 3 divisions will be there, isn't it, ba? History, geography, civics. Okay, in the first term, these 3 divisions only will be there. Then other terms, economics also included. Okay, so okay, no confusion. So today I am going to teach history first lesson. Okay, so before that I am going to ask some questions to you. Will you answer, ma? Will you answer? What is your name? Everyone know your name, isn't it? Your father name, mother name also, isn't it? Did you ask great grandpa name? All the students know great grandpa name. If you don't know, you can ask your father. Okay, so father no, I think so. So don't disturb your father and your mother. Okay, if they know, you collect the names. Okay, ma? Clear? Okay, so that is our family history, isn't it? In previous class I explained like that, isn't it? That is our family history, isn't it? So history also what? Is the record of past events. Okay, what is history? History is the study of past events. In previous class I explained detail, isn't it? Did you remember that? Yes, isn't it? So history, record of past events, social, political, economic of a country in order of time. In order of time. So history will be like that. Social, political, economic of a country. Economic of a country. It is based on the time. It is based on the time. Could you understand? Could you understand, ma'am? So history first lesson. What's the title? What is history? What is history? Okay, so it's a very interesting lesson. Okay, everyone should listen carefully. Okay, so what is history? Everyone knows, isn't it? History is the study of past events in chronological order, isn't it, pa? History is the study of past events in chronological order. Okay, ma? So we will study about the past events, social, economic of our country. Okay. In this first lesson, before that I will explain one more. Okay, I will share that. So telling the time in history. Telling the time in history. So we will use the BC AD, isn't it? BC. BC before Christ, AD Anno Domini, isn't it? Before Christ, Anno Domini, isn't it? So the time is calculated will be like this. Okay, this side BC AD. So that means Anno Domini. Okay, BC before Christ. Before Christ. So the 0 it will start. Okay, 500, 1000. They will use this word BC. Okay, before Christ. So Anno Domini like that. That same year only the time will be. So but they will add AD. Okay, so but now BC means before before common era. Okay, BC means what? The before common era. Then next CE means AD, CE they mention common era. So no confusion children, BC, AD it is. Okay, BC they have given one more word, what? Before common era, AD common era. Okay, generally they have given this year. Okay, okay students. Okay, so that telling the time in history it will be like this. Okay, so we will write, isn't it? A, B, BC, AD, isn't it? So like that the time will be. Okay, the time in history is calculated using this. Okay, so keep it in your mind. Okay, in the first lesson, Tamilini story is there. Okay, so interesting story it is. Okay, Tamilini story, Tamilini. Okay, ma. So everyone know your name, isn't it? Isn't it? So in your book, the Tamilini story has given. Okay, so in the Tamilini, enter her house from school. Her mother, who was reading a book, greets Tamilini with a hug. Okay, so Tamilini, where they went to school and returned to home. Okay, then while seeing Tamilini's mother is reading the newspaper. Okay, while seeing Tamilini, it's a great hug. Okay, so it's a she collects her school bag and asks Tamilini to refresh herself. Refresh herself. Okay, first they hugged. After that, what they give? They said to refresh herself. So she gives Tamilini some snacks to eat. She then asks Tamilini about the school activities of that today. Okay, so after that, refreshing over, then ate snacks also. After that, mother is asking, what about today's activities? Okay, all the mother will ask like that only, isn't it? So which portions it has taken, everything, the mother or father will take care, isn't it? So after that, homework also, they will finish it, isn't it? So like that, Tamilini's mother also did like this. Okay, so mother, Tamilini, what subject did you study today? Okay, mother is asking, Tamilini, what subject did you study today? Tamilini, history, ma. She answered, history, ma. Then mother, oh nice. Did you properly understand what history is? Tamilini, yeah, I understood something about history. Can you please tell me more about history? Okay, so mother is asking about the school activities. So Tamilini is answering, what are? Today I learned what? History subject. So I understood little, but I need more information. Then Tamilini is asking some doubts to the mother. Okay. Then mother, what is your name? So mother is asking the same question. What is your name? Tamilini answer, Tamilini. Mother, tell me your mother's name. Miss Sumati. Okay, Tamilini's answer, Miss Sumati. Okay, so Tamilini's mother name is Miss Sumati. Father's name, Mr. Adiyaman. Okay, so Tamilini's father name Adiyaman, mother's name what ma? Sumati. Okay, tell me the name of your father's father. So Tamilini know grandpa name Mr. Chidambaram. Okay, Tamilini grandpa name is Mr. Chidambaram. So Tamilini, you mean great grandpa Mr. Chidambaram. Then again one more question, they asked great grandpa name. So do you know the name of great grandpa Mr. Chidambaram's father? So like that they asked a question to Tamilini's mother. So Tamilini, grandma always used to tell me about one great grandpa. You want that great grandpa name Amma. Okay, so you know. So Tamilini, so what? He learned history lessons, isn't it? So first the mother is giving, asking some questions to Tamilini. Okay, father name, mother name, grandpa name also. But great grandpa name, she don't know to answer. Okay, but what? Mother, yes, your great grandpa name is Mr. Ramasamy. Mother only said this name. Okay, so great grandpa name is what? Mr. Ramasamy. Often your father shows proudly a very old wooden pen and used to tell us that it was his grandpa pen. Do you remember it? Okay. So often the father will show. That means whose father? Tamilini's father. Okay. Tamilini's father name what ma? Mr. Adiyaman. Okay. Adiyaman will show one pen. Okay. Wooden pen. So nowadays everyone is using different type of pen, isn't it, pa? So microtic pen, isn't it? So different types it will be. But in olden days, such a type of different pen will be there, isn't it? So the great grandpa used one wooden pen, okay, ma? So that wooden pen, now it is not in working condition, okay? So but the father is keeping the wooden pen carefully, okay? So save this, okay? So like this it is. So Tamilini, often your father shows proudly a very old wooden pen and used to tell us that it was his grandpa's pen. Do you remember it? Okay, so Tamilini's mother is said this answer. Okay, so Tamilini, yes Amma, normally he keeps it in a beautiful wooden case of his table. Is that the one? Okay, so often what it is inside the table. Okay, they will keep safely. Okay, that pen you mentioned that she mentioned. Then mother, you are right. Tamilini, we cannot write with that pen now, but father has kept it. Was a treasure. If you ask your father about that, he will show you the diary written by your great grandpa. That your great grandpa was a literate. Okay, so maximum this Tamilini's great grandpa is a literate person. Okay, so do you know the difference between literate and illiterate? Literate means what, Amma? The man know to read and write. Okay, so illiterate means what? The man don't know to read and write. Clear, ma? Okay, so Tamilini's great grandpa. It's a literate person. So the man so great grandpa will know to read and write. Okay, so you understood that, isn't it? Because he used one wooden pen. Okay, ma, he used wooden pen. So that Tamilini's great grandpa is a literate. So our great grandpa also, they don't know to write the name, isn't it? So nowadays all the grandpas, great grandpas know to write, but in the olden days some persons or some grandpas or some persons are illiterate. Okay, children. Okay, so Tamilini's great grandpa is literate. So while most of its villagers were illiterates, further we can understand the lifestyle of that period and also about activities from his diary writing. Okay, so Tamilini's great grandpa will write the diary. Okay, diary writing. So students, everyone know your everyone have school diary, isn't it? In previous year we not used, isn't it? Did you use that? Okay, in previous year, everyone should use the diary, isn't it, pa? Isn't it, pa? Our school diary will be there, then some other diaries also will be there, isn't it? So in the diary, what you will do? You will write some information, isn't it? Whether you will write some information, everyone will write the information. But our school side, what you will do, ma? Our diaries, our diary, what they will do? We will write the study portion, isn't it? So day's study portions and then you will write, isn't it? So that is what, ma? Record. Okay, that is what? It's a record. So Tamilini's great grandpa, what they will do? They will write the diary. So like that. Then Tamilini, can this small diary record so much of news, amma? Okay, so one small diary is giving lot of information, isn't it, about the that particular events. Okay, so Tamilini is expressing this. Then mother, yes Tamilini, we understand the period and lifestyle of people of old Stone Age, from used stone tools, like what you understand about your grandpa and his time from his diary writing. We can understand what the in the olden days the people's lifestyle. Then old Stone Age. Old Stone Age means what? the man used the stone tools. Okay, the man used stones. Okay, so that is old Stone Age. The new Stone Age somewhat differently it is. Sharp weapons. Okay, so with they fixed with the handles. Okay, so like that it is. I will explain detailing in next class. Okay, ma. So now it will be like that. So old Stone Age, we will get some information about this. Okay, so what you understand about your grandpa and his time from his diary writing. If any one person is writing the diary, we will get lot of information. Okay, so Tamilini's great grandpa also written the diary. Okay, has written all the recorded. Okay, that is the one small diary only. If we can keep safely, everything is recorded only. Could you understand, ma? So Tamilini's great grandpa is literate. Okay, literate. So do you know the difference between literate and illiterate? Everyone knows, isn't it? Literate means what? The man know to read and write. Okay, illiterate means what, ma? The man don't know to read and write. This is the difference between literate and illiterate. Okay, could you understand? Could you understand? So just some introduction enough. Okay, ma? So Tamilini, isn't it? Tamilini went to school, then enters her house. Then while seeing Tamilini's mother, it's a great hug and refresh herself and giving snacks to eat. After that, what more? They are asking question to what about your school activity. So she learned what? History. So history, she understood little only. So we need more information. So she is asking to her mother. Okay, so mother also explained like this. So what? First family story, isn't it? Father name, mother name, isn't it? So Tamilini's father name what? Father name Mr. Adiyaman. Okay, mother name Miss Sumati. Okay, Miss Sumati. Tamilini's father name Mr. Chidambaram. Okay, that means grandpa name. Okay, Mr. Chidambaram. But great grandpa name what? Ramasamy. Okay, who said this answer? Mother only said the answer. Okay, so Tamilini don't know the great grandpa name. Okay, so like that it is. But later the mother is talking. Mother is telling the story. What? Great Ramasamy will use. Mr. Ramasamy will use one wooden pen. Then he have one habit. What habit? Writing the diary. Okay, so like that the discussion will be there. Okay, that is what, ma? History. Okay, that is what? History. History is the study of past events in chronological order. I said, isn't it? Before, history is classified into prehistory, history, isn't it? So prehistory means we will get some information only. Okay, so it's not written record. Okay, so only through action. So if we can see the rock edicts, we are getting some information, some sources. Okay, so I will explain this sources in this lesson. Okay, so sources means, you know, we are getting more information about the about prehistory, isn't it? So like that it will be. Okay, ma'am. So I will show on picture. So already I showed this picture, isn't it? So man live in caves. Then water used leaves. Okay, so they used this type of dresses. Then they hunt the animals. Then the man know the fire. Okay, crude stone. With the help of the crude stones, they have got that. Then wheel invention, invention of wheel. Then agriculture. The man know the agriculture. Later they used this type of weapons. Okay, this type of weapons. Okay, so this is what history. Okay, this is what a history. Okay. Then one more picture I am going to show, ma. In your book it is given clearly. Have you seen this picture? What you will think? So someone is drawn like that, isn't it? How they draw the? How they draw like this? How the? Like this, isn't it? How it will be? So like that it is. Okay. So only not a correct picture. They draw something differently. Okay. So in ancient period, the man live in the forest, isn't it? What is the main aim? So some persons will go and hunt animals. Some persons what they will do? They will stay in the home. So what they will do? in the rock side they scribbled something. Okay, so like that the history will be there. So the man understood that, okay, in the ancient period the man live in the like this, they practiced it like this. Okay, so like that it will be. Okay, could you understand, ma? So remaining portion I will teach you later. Okay, in the rock side only we got this type of information. The caves used of draw paintings of rock, paintings in rock, called rock painting. Okay, in the rock side they draw some picture. Okay, that is what are rock paintings. Okay, ma'am. So history means what? History is the study of past events in chronological order. Okay, in chronological order. Then the term history has been derived from the Greek word historia, which means learning by inquiry. That means what? Learning by inquiry. Greek word. Okay, historia. Greek word historia. Okay, so history means what, ma? Learning by inquiry. You have to learn and inquire this. Could you understand? Could you understand? So shall I give 2 question answer? Yes. So 2 question answer. So you should write what that. Take a social booklet. I will send the answers, okay, through WhatsApp. Okay, then after getting that, so you should write it in your booklet. Okay, okay, ma'am, will you follow this? Okay, write the date also. So Monday's date, 5/6/2020. Okay, so like that you should write Monday. Then you should write history lesson 1. What is history? Okay, history lesson 1. What is history? First question, what is history? Then you should write answer the following. Okay, then what is history? History is the study of past events in chronological order. History is the study of past events in chronological order. Then second question, what do you know about the prehistoric period? What do you know about the prehistoric period? The period between the uses of first stone tools and the invention of writing system is called prehistoric period. Prehistoric period means what? The period the man used the old stone age. Okay, they used the stones. First the man used the stone tools and the invention of writing system has happened in this period. Okay, that is what prehistoric period. So stone tools, excavated materials, fossils and rock paintings are the major sources of prehistoric period. Okay, stone tools, some excavated materials. Okay, now also the researchers, what they are doing? They are doing the research work, isn't it, pa? So you know Kudumanal, isn't it, pa? So there also we are getting such a type of broken part pieces and all. Okay, so like that we are getting many information, many sources also. While saying, so archaeologists will do this. Okay, archaeologists what they will do? They are doing the research work and giving the information to the people. Okay, so will you study these 2 questions? What is history? What do you know about the prehistoric period? What do you know about the prehistoric period? These 2 questions everyone should learn. Okay, ma'am? Then after that you should write it in your booklet also. Will you follow this? Will you follow? If you have any doubt, ask to me. Okay. Thank you, students.